Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika, the channel where we make content about making money online as a creative person, as an artist. In today's video, we're gonna be talking about the secret new website. Around like almost 2 weeks, I haven't made a video talking about a new website or a new place where you can sell your work, sell your art. So in today's video, I'm gonna talk about a new website where you can sell your work and can make money online. So without further ado, let's get started with that. Before we go past, consider clicking that button, guys. I do really appreciate that. If you want more such video future, consider subscribing. Hit the bell icon. Whenever I'm gonna upload new videos, you're gonna get notified about it. Also, we have a lot of free resources to help you make more money. The links are in description box below. You can very well grab you can very well support me and my channel, the Patreon. The link is also description box below. You're gonna get early access to my YouTube videos, content ideas, niche ideas. A lot more is there in my Patreon. The link is in description box below. The website is turningart.com. It's a little bit different than the normal art selling website, and why it's different and how you could actually utilize about that. On the very first homepage itself, you're gonna see turningart.com, artwork as a service for business nationwide. You can see their clients and the partners who they have actually partnered with. You can go more detail about it. From curation to installation, Turning Art provides turnkey art programming for organizations nationwide. So basically, we're going to talk about what this particular website is all about and how you can actually utilize to sell your work via that. So our mission, we believe in the power of art to create a world-inspired world. At Turning Art, we are focused on building a future where art is a sustainable, enriching, and expected part of our daily lives. By bringing the creativity of today's artists into our everyday experience, we strive to create connections between local artists and their communities. Then there is a benefit of actually going with that. So what are those benefits? Let's talk about that. Turnkey service. So they have that kind of like a different service which is called a turnkey service. What exactly is it? We handle everything from design and curation to installation and rotation, freeing you to be involved as much as you like. We will have a dedicated art advisor to manage your program every step of the way. It's basically for those of the artists or the creative people who are creating the work, kind of like an original work, or even you can call it as an art print, and who are interested in selling to their art curators or the customers or something like that. Then this is the kind of like the company comes over here, or a website comes over here to actually help you with the art designing, curation, installation, and also the rotation, and that kind of stuff is there for selling your work. Now, local artwork nationality working, they have been actually working with around 2,500 artists nationwide. We ensure that you can feature the work of local artists in your space, no matter where you are. Extensive selection drawing from a catalog of over 50,000 pieces. We offer a full range of art type. So they are having the different types of the art type, like a full range, like ranging from the prints, the original, the commission, and bespoke installation to ensure that you get the right artwork for your space. So it's basically like if you are in a home decor or interior designer company, or even if you are a person interested in actually buying the work, and this is a thing that something you could be interested in. Now this is from the customer point of view, but I'm going to talk about from the artist point of view because you are looking forward to sell your work. Just with the prints or the commissions or the original artwork, but they are also helping you with the installation, so that's great. Like if you're creating your artwork or acrylic work, kind of like on a canvas or something like that, then probably there the installation comes because a customer is purchasing for their wall art, for their entire wall, and they want it to be installed on that particular art. So that kind of service they are offering, so that's pretty great. Like 50,000 different pieces they offer on the different sizes and different formats. Until now, 2,500 of the artists have been working with them, so they have a kind of like testimonial of the artist working on them. Now the preferred pricing is that pick up the program and pricing model that's right for you. We rotate your artwork at the frequency of your choosing and can combine purchase and rental options to offer superior design and pricing flexibility. So that's the great. Why Turning Art? 98% of clients would recommend Turning Art. 90% of the rotating clients renew the program year one after the year. So that's great about like if you're in an interior designing company is looking for the hour, then this is also something for you from a customer point of view. But from an artist point of view, this is great that they're actually helping you with all these options so that your work is there in front of the people and you don't have to think about the installation and printing services and delivering stuff and all that stuff to actually deliver it to your customer. That this company's concept is a bit different from the other art selling website. Like they are working for the businesses, hospitality, institutions, healthcare, designers, and real estate. Like they are mainly focusing on decorating the wall space or decorating the space, whether they are looking for getting the decorating the space for the new homes or for the hospitals, for the business offices, or for the real estate, like whatever it is, it's working on a bigger scale, not just like buying a single piece of art for putting on your wall art. No, kind of like a decorating the space. So that's a bigger thing over here. So we're gonna be focusing for more about the for the designer option, because we are interested in selling our work. So for the designers, art that ties it all together. We know that every designer works differently and that every project comes with different needs. That's why our art advisor will work directly with you and your clients to understand both of your preference and build a comprehensive artwork program together. So they are like focusing more on building a program, like they have an intermediary service kind of like in between the art advisor who will going to actually help you. For example, if you have a client or you're working on a commission artwork and you're just need to focus on creating that piece of artwork, and the rest of the thing is actually taken care of by them, and they're gonna actually advise you this kind of stuff needs to be done in that particular space, and then they're gonna take their piece of art from you and actually going to deliver it to your client, to your customer, and tell them how to install on their working space. Like a lot more is there, not just about selling an artwork. It's much more depth than I ever thought this website would be, because I never came across before. So this is the first time, and I see that they are offering a lot of the different stuff, so probably you would be interested in checking it out. So work one-on-one with your art advisor to find pieces of art in our catalog that matches your client's needs. So that's great. Support local artists. Whether your client is renting or buying an artwork, a percentage of every dollar they spend with turning art is paid directly to the artist. So that's great. So interested in becoming a turning artist? Why turning art? Turning art creates artwork collections for businesses, commercial properties, healthcare institutions, and private residencies nationwide. Our art advisor is dedicated to promoting our artists and incorporating their work into the collections we curate for our client space. So new ways to earn. With turning art dynamic service options, you can earn revenue from sales, leasing, and commissions. Offer turning art prints of your work and also list originals. So that's pretty great. So you create, we do the best. Using the inventory information you provide, our team finds the right spaces for your work. Program that best fit your work and is in line with your current goals. So what is a partner artist and affiliate artist? Let's talk about the partner artist. The partner artist is a full partner artist. You are eligible to show your work and earn revenue with turning art through all our services. They have the services like the print rentals, print sales, original rentals, digital artwork programs, and commission. List your work to Turning Art's online catalog to have your work rented in rotating print programs and sold for purchase to one of our clients. So the artwork listed in this catalog are the fine art prints, limited edition prints. That's quite obvious. They're gonna do the stuff for you. You don't have to do that. Original artwork available for the sale. Fine art prints available for sale over partner e-commerce website, made and curated. So that was the partner artist program. Now they are having the affiliate artist program. As an affiliate artist, your work will be shown exclusively in Turner's Art Original Commission Service program itself. You won't be part of the rest of the program. The affiliate program is designed for artists who are unable to participate in Turner's art print programming or would like to only be considered for original artwork projects. Artwork listed in the internal, here is the original work and commission for the purchase project. So you are limited in the affiliate artist, but if you're not selected in the if you're not part of the partner artist, then probably you can take a look at the affiliate artist. Then they are having the FAQs. You can read about the partner artist FAQs and affiliate artist FAQ to know more about how it exactly works. So who has access to buy my work? You can see what are the people who are actually purchasing. It's kind of like mainly focusing on commercial and corporate sectors, like corporate clients, commercial real estate agents, hospital sectors, healthcare sectors, and individual collectors. So it's basically on a bigger level, not just a simple customer who purchasing for decorating their home. It's much more on the bigger part. And you can take a look at the different kinds of the prints they are having and go much depth about it. What kind of pieces are accepted to the Turning Art as an exclusive editions. So you can take a look at that, how many of them they're gonna be admitting, you're gonna make from your art. So you're gonna make 25% of the revenue on print sales. This amounts to $41 to $383 for fine art print sales at our different sizes. Artists are issued 63 to 574 for Turning Art exclusive limited edition print sales. So basically it's 25%. but not that bad. If you see all that stuff, they are taking care so much of these stuffs, not just simple selling your work. And then who sets for the prices for the original piece? Original artwork should be listed at a minimum of $300. Artists are paid 30-60% of the retail price in the case of the original artwork. So that 25% was for the print sales, for the print, like the fine art prints, limited edition prints. But if you're going with the original artwork, you're getting 60% commission. So that's great. How do artists get compensated for use of their work? You can read about the print rotation, original artwork rotation, digital rotation. So if you're actually selling the digital artwork program, then you are getting 20% of the annual revenue. If you're going with the original artwork rotation, 25%. So depending on the different programs, they are having different kinds of the work they are selling. The commission rate varies a lot. Like original artwork selling, obviously gonna have a more commission for the artist. But if you're going with the digital one or the print sales, then the commission is actually being decreased. But again, it depends on you. Okay. So how and when are the artists is paid? Another important factor. You're gonna be mailed check or direct deposit through bill.com on the 15th of every month. So you're going to receive direct deposit or the check. And has occurred royalty 50 or more, you're going to, in the event of the sale of an original, who pays for the shipping, Turning Art will going to pay for the shipping as well. They are doing everything for you, so that's why they are taking a huge commission. So how do I add pieces to Made and Curated? So you can read about the partner websites they are having partnered in the program. You're thinking, is it open for every artist, or you need to apply, or you need to submit a form to get reviewed, and then you're gonna be applied to sell on the platform? Well, it's an application based system or application based company or website. So you need to fill out the form, and artist team will going to review your application. Like you need to submit your email address, password, you need to select whether you want to be a part of the affiliate artist or partner artist, then your website, then referral, your name, then your address, your date, and everything related to that. You need to select all those stuffs, and then you have to submit. Once they're gonna review your application, they're gonna send you an email and let you know whether you're being part of their Turning Art or not. If not, then I think they won't be. Again, I'm not sure, because this is the first time I'm coming across, and I see that this is a new opportunity. Like you need to fill that application form that's available on their website and submit it, and then they're gonna review your work, and based on that, they're gonna actually decide whether they want you to be part of their Turning Art team or not, or as an artist, or they are rejecting you. So I'm going to leave the entire link of this particular website in description box below with the FAQs. You can very well check their FAQ about what kind of work you need to submit, the different print formats, print styles, and all that requirement and eligibility criteria for submitting your work. I'm gonna leave the links in description box below. Make sure to check it out. For this video, hopefully you find it useful. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Have you ever heard about Turning Art, or are you selling on that platform? Do you know anything about it, or do you have any kind of experience with this particular website? Would really love to hear from you in the comment section below. Your thoughts, your questions and queries are really welcome in the comment section below. And I'm gonna leave the link of this particular website in description box below if you're interested in checking it out. But that's it. I'm gonna see you in the next video with a new amazing topic. Till then, take care. Bye guys.